you're experiencing high ping issues on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to help improve your connection. This guide provides quick fixes to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test on another device to confirm your download and upload speeds. If the speeds are low, consider resetting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. For the best connection, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This can significantly reduce ping compared to a wireless connection. Step 3. Change DNS settings. Go to the PS5 settings, navigate to Network, then set up Internet connection. Choose your connection type, then select Advanced Settings. Change the DNS settings to public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4 for potentially improved performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Ensure that no other applications or devices are using bandwidth while you are gaming. Close any streaming services or downloads on your PS5 and other devices connected to the same network. Step 5. Update system software. Regularly check for system updates on your PS5. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. If an update is available, download and install it, as updates can improve performance and connectivity. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience on your PlayStation 5. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your ISP for further assistance.